homemade Italian bruschetta, bursting with fresh flavors. Subscribe and like for more authentic Italian recipes. Buongiorno! Welcome to our channel, where we're taking you on a culinary journey to Italy with a classic homemade Italian bruschetta. This iconic appetizer brings together the freshness of tomatoes, the fragrance of basil, and the richness of balsamic glaze on crispy toasted bread. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to show your support. Let's dive into the taste of Italy. To create this delightful homemade Italian bruschetta, here are the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 1 baguette or Italian bread, sliced 4 to 5 ripe tomatoes, diced 3 to 4 garlic cloves, minced, fresh basil leaves, chopped 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Now, let's experience the flavors of Italy. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Arrange the bread slices on a baking sheet and toast them in the oven until they become golden and crispy. Step 2. In a mixing bowl, combine the diced tomatoes, minced garlic, and chopped basil, creating a vibrant and aromatic mixture. Step 3. Drizzle the balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil over the tomato mixture, and season with salt and pepper to enhance the flavors. And there you have it. Our homemade Italian bruschetta is coming together beautifully. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button to support our content. In the final step, we'll assemble the bruschetta on the toasted bread, creating a burst of flavors in every bite. Thank you for joining us on this Italian culinary adventure. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll show you how to assemble the bruschetta and add the final touches. Until then, grazie and happy cooking!